Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AUVEBY car vacuum portable cordless. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: Max Dust Cup, One Touch Empty. The oversized 336 ml or 0.09 gallons dust cup lets you detail the entire car without stopping to empty. One press releases the cup for fast, mess-free disposal. More vacuuming, less downtime. 45 minute runtime, full car coverage. Cordless power cleans an SUV, sedan, or pickup seats, mats, trunk, and crevices on a single charge. USB-C fast charging refills in 3.5 hours, so the handheld car vacuum is always ready for the next mess. 20,000 PA strong suction, compact body, a 147,000 RPM brushless motor and 100 watt output deliver instant suction that lifts stubborn debris on contact. Light and compact enough to grab from the glove box, powerful enough to crush crumbs, sand, and pet hair before they spread. 4-in-1 vacuum, blow, inflate, pump, switch from vacuuming to blowing dust off dashboards and keyboards, inflating swim rings or cushions, and vacuum sealing storage bags. Multiple attachments reach tight gaps, delicate surfaces, upholstery, and corners. Grab and go, fully equipped, at only 1.08 pounds, this cordless handheld vacuum is built for one-handed use in your car, home, office, or travels. Comes with a crevice nozzle, brush nozzle, blowing nozzle, flexible hose, mini floor brush, 2 washable HEPA filters, steel filter, USB-C cable, and storage bag always packed and ready. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.